if you've been watching the last, I would say probably 3 weeks, I think, I've been covering a few news articles, particularly in France, where cryptocurrency owners are being targeted with exactly the kind of data we've been covering already. For example, just the last article with the health data, people will find this kind of data, they'll buy it or they'll find it online. And then what they'll do is they'll map it on to people who have money because there's financial information, much like exactly the very last article we just went over. And cryptocurrency heads, for example, if they're heads of an exchange or if they happen to be wallet holders with lots of money, they are targeted. There have been kidnappings, tortures. Somebody lost a finger as part of a torture campaign in order to get access to their wallet account, etc., etc. And it's getting so out of hand that CEOs are now learning self-defense because they're worried that they're going to get kidnapped. So I don't really think I have to go over it very much, but you can understand, it's a very short article, but you can understand how serious this kind of thing is. There are real world implications to the code that we run, to the way that we handle the code that we run, to the way that we secure the code that we run, to how seriously we take responsibilities around the code that we create. And we don't take it seriously enough. And as a result, you have people who say what you might about people with money and the rich and all of that. That's not relevant to this. What I'm saying is real people are affected. In this industry, we can affect people's lives to such a great degree that some people can even lose their life. This is very serious stuff. And you have to imagine yourself being somebody who thinks that their life is in such danger that they have to learn self-defense. It's funny, it's a funny haha thing, but imagine that you are so scared that this is actually happening as a result of all of the issues that I'm covering here, that you have to learn self-defense and you always have to be looking over your shoulder. It's ultimately, it's not really a funny thing. It's just kind of like I don't know how to, ironically funny. I'm not sure how else to say it, but it's very serious stuff. And it's not only the rich who are affected by it, okay? We're all affected by it. That includes your loved ones, okay? So you do have to take it seriously.